Whoa! Holy, that was close.
तो कबूतर उड़ जाते हैं संग इस बेवकूफ के रिदम के मन में मुझको आते चले इसको तेरे साथ करपन के दिल खुद को ऐसा खुशर मतलब जिंदगी की मेरी तेरे साथ चलना चाहती है मुझसे पहला प्यार तुझसे बात शुरू हो जाती जो चीजें तुझे खाती मुझे खूब सताती यकीन है हाथों की तेरी मेरे खिलाफ भड़काती वो भी नहीं पीटी तेरे साथ होती
McNamara confirming to Kennedy that the war was not going well, Kennedy confirming McNamara's impressions of what the war was doing to this country. He was an intriguing man in this period, almost as if there were a split personality caught between two loyalties, and more, caught between two eras. In those days, he could still be part of the planning of the bombing, but be a very different man in the evening, going to dinner parties, raising a glass to someone like Moyers with the toast, "Bless the doves, we need more of them."
इतने प्रेमी और इतना
In a brand new Canadian production, featuring 25 of Queen's greatest hits. We Will Rock You is
What's up?